It is that time of year again. It is spring and it is planting season. We just left Home Depot and picked up some awesome plants. Today we are doing our spring planting and we're gonna be planting lots of fruits, some vegetables, as well as a bunch of flowers. Come join us, it's gonna be fun. All right, we are at our second location. We are at a local nursery. I love to come to the nurseries because they seem to have a bigger variety than just Home Depot. First up, time to go shopping. Okay, what I love to look for at the nursery are things that I'm going to eat. So I love to make kind of like a salsa box. So I buy tomatoes, bell peppers, cilantro, or a few little herbs in there. All the things that would go good in a salsa mix. They have a good variety of cilantro, as well as lots of different herbs that we're gonna be picking today. Okay, I absolutely love buying tomatoes, but I tend to buy too much. So remember, tomatoes do pretty good in most climates and they will spread and they will get really big. So today I am sticking to 4 tomato plants. I'm gonna get 2 big tomatoes, like Roma tomatoes, and then 2 smaller plants, like cherry tomatoes. I love cherry or grape tomatoes. They are some of my favorite things. The kids go and harvest a few tomatoes, we put them in a salad. They're fantastic. I am actually thinking we might be getting some raspberries today. All right, my other favorite things to plant are, of course, vegetables. So Wyatt picked out some carrot seeds that he's gonna plant. We have some zucchini. I got some other squashes. I also got some fun melons. We're gonna try watermelons, honeydew this year, which I'm not sure if that's gonna work because, again, it's super hot where we are and it gets hot early on in the summer. So I'm hoping that they'll survive. Hey, let's get our plants and let's go planting. All right, Wyatt, what are you excited to plant this year?
Carrots.
Carrots, okay. Shay, what are you planting this year?
Flowers.
Flowers. Cora, what are you planting this year?
Flowers.
Flowers. Dad, what are you excited to plant this year?
Berries and gardenias.
Ooh, that's right, we got gardenias. This year, we've got a whole lot of plants. I love it because I love gardenias. So Jace is going for the smell, and the beautiful mood it's gonna set, as well as we are planting a lot of plants around our pond. I love the pond and I think it's gonna be really pretty when we have a lot of flowers in that zone. And I'm excited to get some vegetables. Let's go planting. All right, Evie, let's unload our box. Flowers go over by the pond. Here, take. Just go put them in this stack. One more, can you put this in between your arms? There you go. Who's that strong girl hiding behind a bush? All right, on the side of our house, we have a lot of these, what they're called are oleanders, but they are poisonous if you eat them or animals eat them. Oh my gosh, Jason's hacking it down. Get it, get it, get it, get it. Oh.
The problem with oleander is this stump is 1,000 branches.
This might take all day. Oh, don't. Watch where you're walking. All right, Dad got most of the stump out. Raquel is now prepping the dirt. We've mixed our mulch. Evie's our mixer, huh, Evie?
Yeah.
There we go. We're prepping our dirt for raspberries right here. All right, Shay and Dad get to do the honors for the first raspberry bush. Good. Okay, let's get in some more dirt. Get the dirt. One raspberry bush in. Okay, Raquel. This is where our second's going. All right, 2 raspberry bushes in. Look at this crew of muscle.
Can't wait to see the end of this video. So that'll mean we're done.
Shay is our tomato cage prepper.
I'm the root spreader.
I put him in the zoo.
Oh baby, what do we got here?
I would call them tomatillos. Raquel would call them
Tomatillo. Read them.
They're what?
They say tomatillo.
Nice, Raquel. Tomatillo.
So, that's also how you pronounce tortilla.
Tortillas. Here comes the rest of our planting crew.
wow, you did so much.
I know.
Next one. Oh wait, Dad did it. This is gonna be our salsa box. We got cherry tomatoes, Roma tomatoes, tomatillos. We got a jalapeno, some bell peppers, and we're gonna put cucumbers over here too. All right, Raquel, she's planting our squashes. Shay, what do you got there? Look what I found. I found a dead tomato.
Oh, don't squeeze.
Oh gosh. I'm sorry I ruined the toe hat.
She has to buy me a new one.
If you guys remember last year on the Now Mom, we had an expert come in and teach us how to plant these or build these garden boxes as well as prep our soil, and that was really awesome. I'll link it here in a card because lots of good information on what kind of things you should be putting in your soil, what kind of like treated soil, potting soil, the dirt that you're putting in it. Lots of good info. Okay, we prepped our soil. We brought in some of the potting soil and we mixed it all into our boxes. So we have started our planting. I'm so excited. We have our herb box. We have our squash and melon box, which I am going to put cages around them and so they can kind of grow up instead of out, which is going to be amazing. This is our salsa and salad box. We've got our tomatoes. We have some tomatillos. We have peppers, bell peppers, hot peppers. We have arugula because I absolutely love arugula in my salads. I'm so excited. And we got a ton of flowers for the pond, which are gonna be really cool because look at this pond. So the pond's ground cover is really coming in. We have some ivy, but we have a whole lot of mint over here. And we're gonna plant some gardenias to make it smell really pretty over here, as well as some pretty flowers around. All right, we have been having so much fun gardening. I love spring. It's been perfect weather. If you guys are gardening or starting to garden, comment down below. I'd love to hear how you plant or what you guys like to plant, because I love trying new things.
They like to have their children and husband plant.
Stop it. I planted a lot. Whatever. We love planting. We'll see you guys next time. Thanks for hanging out.